Good morning, guys. So we are in Atlanta and I have a hair appointment. I thought I would take you guys with me because my bob has grown out so much and it's kind of growing out uneven, so it's driving me crazy. But I seen there's this hair salon that's like not too far away, but it's not close enough to walk to. So waiting for my ride to get here. And then, yeah, I don't know how short I want to go. I haven't decided yet. So we're gonna have to figure that out on the ride, on the way there, because I have no idea what I'm actually gonna do. I just know that I am hating my hair right now and we need to change, so that's what we're gonna do.
Let it go in the ground, shaking underneath us. Lose the fight, feeling slow. All I want is someone to lean on. Hands good, light, hearts exposed when the world is pulling us apart now. Through the noise, through it all I want is someone to lean on.
Okay, so I just got my hair done. It turned out so cute, and I just saw there's a nail salon here, and I really need to get these nails done bad. So we're gonna go over there and see if they can get me in. Okay, so we got butter yellow. I think they turned out so cute. Love them. So cute. Okay.
Would you stay here in the silence till the fear is gone? Every second heavy, like it's hard to breathe. All these unanswered moments hanging over me. Lower shine, let it go when the ground is shaking underneath us.
Okay, guys. I just got back to the hotel room. I feel like my hair's so short, but I feel like I love it. What do you guys think? Is it cute? I needed to style it myself, of course, but the girl I went to, she was so cute. She knew like exactly what I wanted. I trusted her. She actually recommended, like I do, I might go back and get some color done to lighten it up, get a little highlights. I'm not sure, but I'm loving the haircut. I think it's so cute. Toast, do you love it? He's like, I don't really care. Okay, so I went to Playables because one thing about me, if there is an acai bowl, your girl's gonna get it. So I was super excited. They actually have a new one. It's like strawberry and I don't know, but it looks delicious. It's like half green, half strawberry. It looks really good. It looks really good. So I'm gonna eat this, some toast, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.